Question number 5 of exercise 11.1. The area of the square park is same as the area of the rectangular park. If the side of the square park is 60 meter and the length of the rectangular park is 90 meter, find the breadth of the rectangular park. This is question number 5 of exercise 11.1. The area of the square park is same as the rectangular park. So first of all we will find here area of the square park. Side of a square park is 60, it is given. So we will find area of square park. So the area of a square park we are finding, formula is side multiply side. So here side is given, which is 60. So 60 multiply 60, answer is 3600 meter square. Now it is given the area of square park is equal to the area of rectangular park. तो जो एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर पार्क है सेम रेक्टेंगुलर पार्क का एरिया जो होगा वो भी सेम होगा, बिकॉज दीज आर इक्वल. सो इट इज ऑल्सो 3600 मीटर स्क्वायर. देन इट इज गिवन length of rectangular park is 90 meter, find its breadth. So here you can see area means length multiply breadth. It is given 3600 or length is given 90. So in place of L we will write 90. Then we will find breadth. Breadth is equal to 3600 upon 90, means divided by 90. 0 can be cut by 0 and 9 4s are 36, so it is 40. Answer is 40 meter. Breadth is 40 meter. Question number 6 of exercise 11.1 class 7th maths NCERT. A wire is in the shape of a rectangle. Its length is 40 centimeter and breadth is 22 centimeter. If the same wire is rewound in the shape of a square, what will be the measure of each side, and also find the shape find which shape encloses more area. तो वायर इज गिवन इन द शेप ऑफ द रेक्टेंगल. तो वायर जो है वो रेक्टेंगल की शेप में है, उसकी लेंथ और ब्रेथ दी हुई है. फिर उस वायर को स्क्वायर की शेप में कन्वर्ट किया गया है. So here we will find the side of the square by taking perimeter. Perimeter of both the shape equal, because same wire is bent to form the another figure, and then we will apply the formulas of area and then we will get the answer. Question number 6. A wire is in the shape of a rectangle. Its length is 40 centimeter and breadth is 22 centimeter. If the same wire is retained in the shape of a square. So here you can see wire is there, it is in the shape of a rectangle. तो सबसे पहले हमें यहाँ पे लेंथ ऑफ वायर निकालना होगा. अब लेंथ ऑफ वायर पेरीमीटर ऑफ रेक्टेंगल के इक्वल होगा. सो यहाँ पे हम लिखेंगे लेंथ ऑफ वायर इज इक्वल टू द perimeter of rectangle. So this is equal to the perimeter of rectangle. Formula of perimeter of rectangle is 2 multiply length plus breadth. Length is given, this is 40 and breadth is 22. So 40 plus 22, then 40 plus 22 62, and answer is 124 centimeter. This is the length of the wire. After this is given, first of all this wire is in the shape of a rectangle एंड आफ्टर दिस वायर इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू स्क्वायर। तो पहले जो ये रेक्टेंगल, पहले ये वायर जो था वो रेक्टेंगल की शेप में था, और इसके बाद हमने उस सेम वायर को एक स्क्वायर में कन्वर्ट कर दिया है। तो जब हमने सेम वायर को स्क्वायर में कन्वर्ट किया है तो वायर की लेंथ सेम होगी, मीन्स उनका पेरीमीटर जो होगा वो सेम होगा। तो यहाँ पे हम लिखेंगे पेरीमीटर ऑफ स्क्वायर is also equal to rectangle, so perimeter of square is 124 centimeter. Now perimeter is also 124 of square, so here we will write 4 multiply side is equal to 124 centimeter. Now after this we will find the side. So side is equal to 124 upon 4, then side is 31 centimeter. Now question is asking what will be the measure of each side. So you can see side is of 31 centimeter, and after this it is also finding which shape encloses more area. So first of all we will find area of square. Formula is side into side, s into s we can write. So 31 multiply 31, so it is 961 centimeter square. And then we will find area of rectangle also. Area of rectangle, formula is length multiply breadth. Length is 40, breadth is 22, so it is 880 centimeter square. Now here you can easily see which shape encloses more area. So you can write square encloses more area. So this is the answer. Question number 7 of exercise 11.1. The perimeter of a rectangle is 130 centimeter. If the breadth of the rectangle is 30 centimeter, find its length and find the area of the rectangle. Question number 7. Find the breadth of the rectangle find the length of the rectangle if perimeter is 130. So we will write perimeter is 130 centimeter. Here perimeter is written in the symbol of P. Then formula is 2 multiply L plus B is equal to 130 centimeter. In place of length is not given, so we will write L, or breadth is given, this is 30 equal to 130. Now this 2 can cut 130, 65, and then L plus 30 is equal to 65. L is equal to 65 minus 30, so L is equal to 35 centimeter. Now after finding length, it is given find area also. So A is equal to L into B, A for area, L for length, B for breadth. Length is 35, breadth is 30, then we will multiply, then answer is 1050 centimeter square. This is question number 8. A door of the length 2 meter and breadth 1 meter is fitted in a wall. The length of the wall is 4.5 meter and breadth is 3.6 meter. Find the cost of whitewashing the wall if the rate of whitewashing of the wall is rupees 20 per meter square. So first of all we will find area of the door, then we will find area of the wall. and after this we will subtract the area of the door from the area of the wall, and then we will get the area of the wall only, that is going to be whitewashed, and then we will multiply by 20 to get the cost of whitewashing the wall. Question number 8, you can see one figure is given. A door is fitted in the wall. Length of wall and breadth of wall is given, and the length of door and breadth of door is given. Now here we are finding the cost of whitewashing the wall. So whitewashing will be done on the wall only, not on the door. So first of all, find area of the door. Door is in the shape of rectangle, so formula of area of door will be L multiply B, length multiply breadth. Length of door is 2 meter and breadth is 1 meter, so 2 multiply 1, it is 2 meter square. And area of wall is, it is also L multiply B, then 4.5 multiply 3.6. When you multiply 4.5 to 3.6, then answer is it is 16.2 meter square. After this, then we will find area of white wall only. Now we will find area of wall only, where to whitewash. Now we will subtract door from the wall. 16.2 minus 2, then it is 14.2 meter square. Then here you can see 20 rupees per meter square. So cost of whitewashing, then we will multiply 14.2 to 20, then here you can see it is 284, 284.